In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Canva to Google Calendar. This is a great way to keep your design projects and schedules in sync, ensuring that you're always on top of your tasks and plans. Today, we'll walk through it step by step, making it easy and simple for you to follow along. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. You'll begin by creating or selecting an existing event where you'd like to integrate your Canva design. Clicking on the specific event brings up a pop-up with basic details. From here, you'll want to delve deeper, so go ahead and click on More Options. This will direct you to a more detailed view of the event where you can add a variety of additional features and settings. In this detailed view, look for the Add Link option. It's generally towards the bottom or side of the options depending on your screen setup. Clicking this will allow you to add an external link to your calendar event, which is where the magic happens. Now switch over to your Canva project. Once you're in Canva, select the project or design you want to integrate. Copy the URL link directly from your browser's address bar. Make sure you're using the correct link that leads directly to your design. This ensures anyone with access can view it in the event you've shared. Next, paste the Canva URL address into the designated field in your open Google Calendar window. Paste it carefully to ensure the link is correct, as this will directly link your design to the calendar event. Right after pasting the URL, you'll want to confirm by clicking OK. This action effectively attaches your Canva design to the event so you can access it seamlessly through your calendar entry. Finally, don't forget the last crucial step. Hit Save to ensure all your changes are locked in and synchronized. This step prevents any loss of information and ensures that your Canva design is embedded within your Google Calendar event, ready for you or any participants to view as you manage your schedules. This simple integration between Google Calendar and Canva helps streamline your workflow, allowing you to access your design materials alongside your schedule effortlessly. With your Canva designs just a click away, you can maintain your workflow lean and organized while minimizing searching and switching between platforms. I hope this guide has been helpful in making your digital life a little easier. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.